All right, huge announcement, something I've been working on for a few months now, and I'm so proud that I get to be able to finally share it with you, and I get to be able to offer the highest value, because that's really what I got in here for. I got in to offer the highest value so that way I can be able to help people. I have a business builder mentorship program where I can work with you on a one-on-one. I'll be able to even get inside of your account as a team member with access, and I'm able to build up your account from the ground up. Even if you just have a new account, all right, even if you have no experience, you have a new account, I will be able to build your account for you the same way as I built my store, the same way how I would build my store, and it would just be from a team member's perspective. So don't worry, I don't have any access to your passwords or to your username, or I don't have access to any of your billing information, your bank information, none of that, any of that whatsoever. Only thing that I would have access to inside of your account is just to be able to do your listings, your market research, to be able to do your promotions, to build it up the proper way. This is how you're also going to be able to subvert some of the resellers that you have out there. Because some of the resellers that you have out there, they think you're predictable. All right. Some of your stuff is predictable. And it's hard for me to say this message on a broad message to everybody, because you might break your account if you don't do it the right way and if I'm not working with you. So some days I'm going to be able to guide you on telling you when to walk forward, when to walk back. All right, I'm going to show you everything that we have right now inside this dashboard that I've been building over the past few months, and it's all integrated within a developer code that eBay already has, and I had to apply for it. I had to wait weeks just to get accepted for the development of it. They had to go through my application. They had to go through my software that I created, and that way it's going to be able to be on your account. So that way it's going to give you a thorough on what you need to do, what days that you need to do it, and what's the roadmap. Every single week you're going to be getting an email of this roadmap. Now, in this one-on-one mentorship program, I'll be able to work with you, right? But also you'll be able to have access with me anytime you want. You'll have my personal telephone number, so you can reach out to me anytime to ask me a question. The mentorship program, it's also going to be where we have a one-on-one together. We have a weekly one-on-one together, plus we have another weekly one-on-one Q&A. So it's very similar to how we have the Q&A that's in the elite community, but this one is going to be where it's our own private one, because it's going to be part of a private community as well too. Now here also, you're also going to get lifetime access as a VIP member. So if you're already not part of the elite community or even VIP, then this is the best situation for you as well, because you'll have lifetime access. I'm talking forever, ever, not monthly, not yearly, not annual. You'll have forever access to it. You'll also have access to all of the new tools, AI tools that's over there as well. But you'll also be part of a private community over there where we have our mentorship members that's there. Another cool thing that you're also going to get is you're going to get a roadmap every single week of what to do. You're going to get a roadmap of what you need to references and how you need to do references. It's all cool. Here, I'm going to break this down right here just so you can see a little bit of taste of what's going on and how we're going to be working together, and all the cool things. So this right here is called the team member. This is already inside of eBay, as you can see right here. This is eBay's dashboard, and then they have this section right here where you can add a team member. This is where you would add me at, and you would just put Corbellic art, right? Because I'm going to be your team member. You would put my email address in here, and then that's it. All you have to do is click these down here, and it just shows you everything what I would have access to. So I don't have access to any of your important passwords, billing, nothing. Only thing I have access to is your listings, your orders, messages, marketing, research. So that way we don't have to be stuck on like a Zoom call together. Only thing that you have to do is just grant me this access as a team member, and I will take care of it on the back end. That way you could do what you're best at, and that's creating art. And then you send it to me, boom, I'm onto your account. I'll be able to manage it like it's my own store and tell you weekly things that you need to improve on and how you need to go in whatever direction. The next thing also is, this is the coolest part, or one of the coolest things. I'm giving you my winning vault library. This is the winning vault library right here. This is something that took me a long time to cultivate. This is like 8,000 pieces of art. So it's references. So we have the references folder right here, and then we have my paintings right here. But I have them all categorized for you. I have them categorized into whatever themes that they are. If it's animals, okay? If it's pop culture, if it's Western, if it's logos, florals and flowers, all of these are my top selling, top winning references that I collected over the past 8 years. So this is my secret weapon right here. I mean, this alone is worth the mentorship. This right here is everything. This is the winning secret recipe. The coolest thing about this is that you can take the AI tools that we already have and you can use these images and do a reverse engineer, create your own version of it. I always tell you, this isn't art class. I don't want you to paint like Corbellic. I need you to paint like you, but you could use this as an idea. And these are the things that always wrote checks for me. That's why I have it. So let's just go back here to the vault and you could go to my painting section. Now let's go to winning paintings. And this is the same thing broken down into portraits, broken down into animals, broken down into Western, Americana. And there's so many paintings that I've done. So you could just see, have an idea. That way you don't have to paint a Corbellic, but at least that you have the idea of all of these paintings are the ones that were the most successful. I collected all of them over the years. So you have a collection of over 8,000 paintings. And look, you could even go here to sci-fi paintings, to even landscape paintings, to even religious and spiritual paintings. So I mean, the collection, it goes on and on and on. So I just needed to show that to you right there. But here's the cool part. When we do onboarding together, once we start working together, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what your availability is, what's your schedule like, what's your work schedule like, how many hours that you're able to work, what's realistic for you, because I don't want you to be burnt out. The biggest thing about this, about me offering this value, having this highest value, is that I don't want you to feel like you're chained to the easel. Because a lot of times, even if you feel like you're hitting the right metrics, you're still going to feel bad, like maybe you're not doing something right or you need to work more. And this is going to show you where you're actually at, where your metrics is at, and what you need to focus on. So that way you could balance a work-life balance. All right. That's something that I didn't have for years. So this is something, a code that I had to get approved for. This is the actual app right here, the software, where this is going to be plugged into your personal eBay page. So it's going to show right here how many orders that you had for the week. It's going to tell you what's your goal that we customize together, you and I. It's going to tell you your income. It's going to tell you your profit. It's also going to tell you what your weekly listing goal is. But this is the cool part. Check this out. It's going to show you your roadmap for the week. So every single week, I'm making sure that this gets emailed to you on Sunday afternoon. This automatically gets emailed to you. So you have a roadmap every week. I'm following your progress. I'm watching it, but I'm also inside your account as a team member. So Monday, this tells you, for example, that you need to focus more on buy it nows. Tuesday, it says focus on auctions. Wednesday, buy it now. Thursday, Friday is telling you to do auctions. And then here, Saturday and Sunday is saying rest. So those are days that you're not even going to be working because you already worked enough. We already scheduled a plan where all of those listings are going to be divided out into the week. So that's just to show it right there. And then it says, it even breaks it down. It's always going to break it down for you. Why? So it's like, why this week looks like this. Your auctions are spread out to keep the Sunday off when the bargain hunters and when the bargain hunters cluster. And it's going to know off of your data when you have your resellers trying to get your stuff because they think that you're predictable. Now, this is a way how we're going to starve them off. All right. Also here, I know a lot of times people have been asking me, hey, how do you know which ones sell the most? How do you know which ones are the most successful? I made sure that I created that for you. So that way you'll know out of your work, what is your best artwork? How much did it sell for? But also, look at this, your best subjects. It's going to know which was your most popular keywords and your most popular subjects. So now you can put the data out there. Not only will you have the references in the different successful art pictures that I have, not only are you a lifetime member in the elite community where you already have all the AI tools there with the reverse engineer, the reference creator, but now you can put the data out there yourself and you can see which data points. You don't have to guess no more. This will tell you every single week which one was successful. It's there for you. You don't even have to think about it. Now here is the money. It's going to show you week by week during the last 6 weeks where you're at. So that way you don't feel down on yourself and you're going to be able to see your snowball build up. Here it's going to show you your gross versus net, which you actually keep. But then it's also going to break down your eBay selling fees. And here's the best part. I also made sure I put the coding in here for promotions and discounts through coupons. So that way you're going to know the promotions. For example, this says that you spent $95 on your promos, but this is how much money that it brought you in. It brought you $640 in. It's going to know discounts. You gave out $120 of coupons and you were able to sell 6 paintings. Here's the coupons right here, $45 given. And it brought you in $260. So it's going to know that. But this is the best part about the promos and the coupons. These are things that we're going to be working with together every week, where it's going to tell you suggestion on your ad rates, where you should go with it. The data is being pulled from the API from your actual eBay. eBay took a while for them to approve me as a developer. So I was able to put my software on the back end. That way it's pulling from your actual account. This isn't guessing stuff. All right. This is actual better detailed dashboard analytics than what eBay has, because this is what it's going to tell you. Suggestion. It's going to say push a little bit more, but suggestion, this is paying off. Just nudge your ad rate up to 1% more on your best subjects to really reach more buyers. Or it's going to tell you to bring it back. It's going to say every $1 of ads that you brought back is about $6.70. Or this one, it's going to say discounts and sales. When you gave out 120 that was given and you moved 6 paintings, you made $380 in sales. It says the suggestions: only run discounts on listings older than 30 days. Don't discount fresh work on your best subjects. They'll sell on their own. So this way it's in the system where it's going to be for you, but also I'm going to be inside of your system as a team member to make sure that you're being held accountable, but also making sure that this is done for you. So that way you can just focus on the painting. Okay. Who's buying your artwork? Now, this is where we're going to starve off the resellers. We're going to starve off the resellers by showing who is buying the most of our artwork. These are the resellers right here. And then it says right here, the person, they won 4 paintings from you on an average of $58. They won it 4 times. Like it says here, these pieces went to 2 repeat buyers. Who's buying your work? These people right here. And then what it's going to do is going to tell you what the highlights are of the week. Highlights of the week is these paintings. It's going to tell you what your best paintings are, your average sell price painting. What's the impression rate, the time shown in there? This is important, your impression rates. You need to be able to see this. And how many page views on the listings. So that way you could be able to track it every single week, and then we'll know what to do going forward. So you can't beat that right there. I mean, I really just wanted to have the highest value. I needed to offer this to you so that way you could have so that way I could be able to have the highest value and I could work with people of where they're at. But I only have a limited amount of seats available because there's only one Corbellic, right? And I'm only going to be working with individual people. I'm working with you on a one-on-one. So that's why it's like there's only limited seats available on this. And if you're interested, if you want to know more about this, click the link below so you could join us in the application, fill out the application so you can see if this is going to be a right fit for us working together. And then that way I'll be able to build your account up, and then I'll be able to put in this software onto your account so that way you could get the sales going and you could get rid of the resellers. You could get ready for Q3 and Q4. So that way when the holiday times comes, you'll be rolling. All right. So I look forward to working with you. This is exciting. I'm really excited. I'm really proud about this. And I'm proud about what you're going to be doing in here. All right. So I'll talk to you soon.